Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe you will need butter, eggs, vanilla, salt, baking soda, flour, sugar, brown sugar, and chocolate chips. To begin, you will start by mixing the softened butter with the vanilla and both types of sugar. You will then add the eggs and mix until combined. Once combined, add the salt, baking soda, and half the flour. You will see that I added too much flour and it went everywhere. Mix until combined and then add the rest of the flour. Once all mixed together, add the chocolate chips. Place your cookies on an ungreased cookie sheet and bake on 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. We only wanted to make one batch of cookies, so I froze the rest of the dough. Place the dough on saran wrap and wrap the dough up and place in the freezer. When ready, take out of the freezer and bake. We think they taste just as good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put the recipe in the description box below, but I just followed the recipe on the back of the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip bag. They are the best chocolate chip cookie recipe we have found.